Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 007-169-00. This is your grade 5, 1 inch by 8 by 5.5 inch long equalizer or spring bolt. Let's check it out. Alright, so part number 007-169-00. This is your 1 inch by 8 by 5.5 inch long spring bolt or equalizer bolt. So I'll measure it out real quick, and then it's going to be 1 inch diameter, and the head is going to measure 1/4, so 1.5 inches almost. It's a grade 5 bolt. You know that because you got 3 lines right here on it. And the length from the bottom of the head to the end is going to be 5.5 inches, or the overall is going to be 6.10 inches. The thread length is going to be a little over 2.5 inches. And you would use this bolt in conjunction with the 006-112-00 1 inch by 8 lock nut. So this bolt right here is 1 inch diameter, and you would use this on a 2.5 inch, an equalizer that uses 2.5 inch wide springs. So this bolt would work with the equalizers commonly found on a 10,000 pound axle, or an axle equalizers that use a 2.5 inch wide spring on them. It would be the center bolt right here. The equalizers commonly found on the 10,000 pound axles, or axles with 2.5 inch wide springs, that'd be the equalizer for those, the equalizer bolt for this. Or this bolt is also used on the 12K. This bolt is also used on the 3 inch wide slipper springs, commonly found on 10K heavy duty axles through 16K axles. This would be your spring bolt for those bigger 3 inch wide springs, and it would just fit in right here, right like so, and that would secure it onto the hanger, onto your trailer. So this bolt has multiple purposes for the equalizers and for the 3 inch wide springs. And don't forget to get your lock nut. We have a kit that has the lock nut and the bolt in it if you need that. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.